Hey everyone, this is Brandon at Hurley's Jump Zone. I want you all to know how to set up and take down our water slides. At HJZ we have two options. Option 1, we can deliver, set up, and take down the unit. Option 2, the customer picks up the unit, sets the unit up, and takes the unit down themselves. The perks of Option 1, we do the work for you. The downside of Option 1, this rental is for 3 hours of playtime. The perks of Option 2, the customer has an all-day rental, units need to be returned by 9 p.m. And the downside to this is the customer does the work themselves. Okay, once you figure out where you want your inflatable, then you want to unroll your tarp. Then you want to grab end on end with a partner, pull against each other and away from the tarp. It will start to unfold. Then you want to do the same steps to the other side. As you do this, your tarp will eventually straighten out, and then you can begin to stake it. When staking the tarp, you want to angle your stakes back towards the tarp. That way when you're pulling pressure on the other corners, it doesn't pull out of the ground. When you get your first stake in, then you want to go to the furthest corner away from you, and you want to get that stake in. Make sure it's perpendicular or parallel to your job site, and then you can get your other two corners to finish your tarp. Okay, the next step is to know where to place the inflatable. We roll all water slides from the front of the slide to the back of the slide. So you want to place your inflatable on the back of the tarp, and please try to have it centered of the tarp as well. When you put it on the back of the tarp, then you want to roll it out towards the front of the tarp. Here's a demonstration. At the back of the water slide, you will see two blower tubes. You will want to put the blower tubes over top of the exhaust of the blowers. Once you get it over top of the exhaust of the blowers, pull all the loose material to one side and then fold it over. There should be no slack in the material. Then you want to wrap the strap around the material and slide it through the buckle and tighten it down. Once the blower tubes are secured on both blowers, the unit is ready for power. Get your water hose and twist it counterclockwise about 3 or 4 times. Put it up to the splitter and then rotate it clockwise. Your water slide has now been set up. Before playing, make sure you walk around the entire unit, checking all velcro, zippers, blower tubes, blower, and straps. Make sure that everything is secured and zipped up.